Hello, today's beautiful Korean word is 사뿐사뿐. 사뿐사뿐 is an onomatopoeia that mimics a certain shape. Do you know its exact meaning? 사뿐사뿐 describes a very light, successive movement. It's used to describe a quiet, careful movement, as if one's feet are touching the ground but not touching it. Imagine footsteps as light as fluff, quiet, gentle movements. All of this can be expressed with just one word, 사뿐사뿐. So, let's take a look at how to use this beautiful onomatopoeia with some examples. Here's the first example. I walked out of the living room quietly, afraid to wake the sleeping baby. Here, 사뿐사뿐 indicates the action of stepping carefully so as not to make a sound. Here's the second example. The spring breeze gently rustled the petals to the ground. This time, the phrase isn't used to describe footsteps, but rather the movement of the petals. Can you feel the light, gentle way they land? Here's the third example. Like a fairy, she danced and flew across the stage. The grace and lightness of her movements can be vividly expressed in the single word, lightly. Now do you understand the meaning and usage of 사뿐사뿐? It's a very light, continuous movement. Now try using 사뿐사뿐 in your conversations and writing to create richer and more beautiful expressions. You did a great job today. Until next time, take care.